Hey gardeners, are you searching for an easy, sustainable way to keep your garden lush and green? Look no further than your recycling bin. In today's video, we're going to show you how to repurpose an old water bottle into a handy and eco-friendly watering tool for your plants. Not only is this method incredibly simple, but it's also a fantastic way to ensure your garden gets the right amount of water it needs. Let's dive in. Step 1. Gather your materials. To get started, you'll need the following items. An empty plastic water bottle any size will do, but 1 to 2 liters work best. A small nail or a needle. Water. Step 2. Preparing the bottle. First, make sure your water bottle is clean. Rinse it thoroughly to remove any residue. Once it's clean, fill the bottle with water. Step 3. Poking holes in the cap. Next, take the bottle cap and poke a few small holes in it using a nail or a needle. Be careful while doing this to avoid injury. The holes should be small enough to allow the water to drip out slowly. Step 4. Assemble the watering tool. Screw the cap back onto the water-filled bottle. Now, you have a DIY drip irrigation system ready to go. Step 5. Positioning the bottle. Find a spot in your garden near the plants that need watering. Stick the bottle upside down into the soil. Make sure it's secure and stable, with the cap buried in the soil. The water will slowly seep out through the holes in the cap, providing a steady and efficient water supply to your plants. By repurposing a plastic bottle, you're reducing waste and giving the bottle a second life. This small step helps to minimize the environmental impact of plastic waste. This DIY watering tool ensures that your plants receive a consistent amount of water. The slow drip method prevents overwatering and helps maintain the moisture levels in the soil, which is crucial for healthy plant growth. Why spend money on expensive irrigation systems when you can make your own with items you already have at home? This method is budget-friendly and effective. You don't need any special skills or tools to create this watering system. It's a simple project that anyone can do in just a few minutes. If you have a busy schedule and can't water your garden every day, this DIY solution is perfect. It ensures your plants stay hydrated even when you're not around. There you have it, a simple, sustainable, and effective way to keep your garden green using an old water bottle. The next time you finish a bottle of water, think twice before tossing it in the trash. Repurpose it into a DIY watering system and give your garden the care it deserves. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this tip helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardeners. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on sustainable gardening. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.